So this program that I'm going to demo today is called the highest of three program, and basically if you enter any three numbers in, the computer will show you which one is the highest. So the first thing I did is to start with, I just wrote a message to the user, and that one, what I wrote is enter three numbers and the computer will show you the highest number you entered. Now, let's get into the program. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say var num1 is equal to read float, enter number. So that's what I want to do. And I used read float, so I basically took user input in this first line, and I used read float because they can enter decimals as well. So for the second prompt, I'm prompting for the second number, so I'm going to have to change this to num2 because I'm going to store it in the variable for the second number. I'm going to say enter number again. And for the third prompt, it's going to be the same as the second, almost, except I need to change this to var num3. So I don't have two variables with the same name. So now I did all the asking for user input. Now I just need to complete the logic. So now I can say if, actually let's just write it out. So a number has to be, greater than the other two numbers, right? So a number has to be greater than the other two numbers. So we're going to need an AND statement because one of the numbers is going to be greater than another number, and that same number is going to be greater than the third number. So let's get into writing the if. So if we say if num1 is greater than num3, we also have to say and num1, any one of those numbers, has to be greater than num2 as well. So this is just saying that one of the numbers is greater than another one, and that same number is greater than the last one. So that means it's the highest if it's greater than both of them. So now what we're going to do is print line. We're going to print line the highest number is, and then we're going to say what the highest number is. So that's just the variable num1. So let's print that out, and then let's write some other if statements. I'm going to actually copy paste the same if statement. We'll change it a little bit. So this time let's use num2 instead. And with num2, it's pretty much going to be the same, except we're going to check that num2 is bigger than the other numbers. So if num2 is greater than num1, then yeah, you guessed it, num2 also has to be greater than the third number, so num3. So num2 is greater than both of the nums. So now I'm going to say the highest number is num2. That's the highest number. That's what I'm going to print out. For the third if statement, we're going to check that num3 is the greatest now. So num3 has to be greater than num2. And num3 also has to be greater than num1. So that means num3 is the highest. Now, let me test my program and see whether it worked or not. So I'm going to enter 7, 10, and 100. And it says the highest number is 100, which is right. It's the greatest number. So our program worked. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. So hope you guys learned something, or maybe got some ideas, and feel free to comment down below if you have any suggestions for an upcoming video.